Hi, welcome to Ty's Conscious Kitchen. Today I have another mayo recipe. This one is the Alkaline Electric Hemp Seed Mayo recipe. And the items I'm using are currently on Dr. SEBI'S Nutritional Guide, and they are hemp seeds, sea salt, spring water, onion powder, grapeseed oil, and lime juice. So let's begin. First I'm going to take a mason jar because this is where I'm going to store the hemp seed mayo. Take my hemp seeds, spring water, lime juice, sea salt, and if you don't have a stick blender, you can use a blender cup to blend this. I like using a stick blender because this is where I'm storing it, so it's like easy to do. You don't have to transfer it. Then we're going to whip it up until it's nice and smooth. After blending it, this is the consistency of it. And if it's too thick, you can add more water. And if it's too watery, you can add more hemp seeds. And there it is, Alkaline Electric Hemp Seed Mayo. You can find this in my Volume 4 cookbook and also in my upcoming video. It looks delicious. And it tastes delicious. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.